that moment on, I decided to take control of my life. I made up my mind to turn my body into a weapon. I would be a warrior scholar. I boxed. I went to school. I began reading W.E.B. Du Bois, Richard Wright.
Move to your right.
So I gave up all the worthless luxuries that most inmates crave. The girly books, fads, cigarettes, the movies. I hated them. In fact, I hated everything. I didn't even speak English. I spoke hate. And its verbs were fists. I made up my mind to turn my body into a weapon that would eventually set me free or kill anyone who sought to keep me in prison. On September 21st, 1961, I was released, and I vowed upon everything holy never to come back to prison again. I had spent almost half my time on this earth in jail.